How to reset keyboard binding settings in Fortnite. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can reset the keyboard mapping in Fortnite. So in order to reset all of the keyboard settings, all you will need to do is simply follow these easy steps. So the first thing that we're going to do is simply click over to the profile picture right here, and within this we're going to click onto the settings gear icon which is visible. Now from here, click onto this particular option, that is keyboard controls, and within the keyboard controls you can see under the preset the setting that says keyboard binding preset. So this allows you to reset the binding to the keys to a new preset. So from here, click onto this preset, and from here make sure that it is set to standard or default. Then default controls with building buttons below the movement keys. This is the default control set. Simply click onto this accept button, and now all of your keyboard settings have been resetted successfully. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.